Today we'll talk about how can you add coupons code on your Temu app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to find it on your Temu app. So you just go down here. You click here on you down here. When you just click here on you, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on coupons here on and overs. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. And here can you enter your coupon code here. So then here you will find all coupons you have. I have nothing, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here. So when you add here your coupons code you have, you click here on apply, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.